It's Friday and we have a 3-day weekend coming up. It's been a while. Well, we're going back to Ithaca. Finally made it. We are doing our own video. Huh?
Fresh মুরগি দে মামুনদের নিজেদের পালা মুরগি ডিম দিতে কালকে আজকেও আমাকে
Right, we finally got ready. We're on our way to Farmers Market, the place we've been there so many times. You've already seen it on my vlog if you're following me for a while.
I love this place. Do you love it?
Yeah.
Okay,
We're now here at the Buttermilk Falls, right?
Yes.
Isn't that what it says?
Yeah.
We're on to this is the third falls?
Third falls, yeah.
We're on to the third falls today. Welcome back to part 2 of our Memorial Day weekend. After going around and checking out all the waterfalls, we were so wiped out. And just we were finishing up, the rain started coming down. So we decided to head back home and take a break. Honestly, it was kind of a perfect vibe. It was raining outside, we were all cozy inside, just relaxing. Their cats came out to hang out with us for a bit, which was really nice. We definitely found ourselves missing Tux and Parker though. After recharging for a while, we all got ready and headed out for dinner to wrap up the evening.
What are you doing? Yeah, I'm taking my categories inside the restaurant.
Recharged a bit, now we came out to have dinner. Let's go eat. Is Ikra here?
One more, yeah.
We need one menu for Ikra.
Ikra. Ikra. Another bread with you. I'm making bread and I'm doing the salad.
More cheese, onion there.
Yeah, it's good.
Oh, you grabbed it.
First time for the restaurant.
Yes.
Yes. খাওয়া দাওয়া ভালো হয়েছে?
Hi. Hi. I'm here. I'm here. What's up? Alright, we just finished eating dinner. We're heading home. The plan is to put on a movie, popcorn and stuff. Let's see how that goes because everybody looks so exhausted right now. It's the rain that's making us more exhausted. Anyway, see you at home. Once we got back home, everyone kind of did their own thing for a bit. The 4 of us ended up in the game room, just talking, relaxing, and playing some pool. None of us were any good except for Mamun, of course. After such a long day, that little break and downtime was exactly what we needed. Later on, Neetu joined us, and pretty soon it turned into an all-girls hangout. By that time, I was completely exhausted, and I called it a night and went to bed, while the girls stayed up and chatting downstairs. Good morning. Let's have coffee. thought I was the first one to get out, but I see Jack is already outside. All right, got my coffee. Oh, today the weather is really good. It's nice and warm, sunny. Hold on, let me get my sunglasses. Alrighty, I'm all set. You know, I'm not a van driver, but I think I'm gonna miss this van. I got used to it. What did you do? You're not bringing worms.
So he's gonna get a box, baby. What's with the do about everyone?
Open the door.
It's open. I was saying all this stuff and I was not even recording. Anyway, we left Mamoon. Ikra is sleeping, so we left Mamoon with Ikra, and Hanitu is left inside the kitchen cooking. We're like, let's just explore. I always come here and then walk. It's a good walk. We bought some plants yesterday. Let's see how they're doing, because oh no. Well, actually they're still pretty good. Jao, Nathan. You want to go, right? Go. You go.
I'm not going.
Why not?
I'm scared.
Because she doesn't eat chicken anymore, so I think she has some kind of a beef going on with the chicken. Chicken. All right, Mamoon is now headed to the chicken coop to feed the chickens. We're gonna get to see some chickens now. Nope. Good morning. Good morning. Why did you have to bring her like that?
She's in the phase of
Scaring
ডিম
her?
না ডিম হইলে right
Oh.
বসে বসে খালি ই করে
Like a hatching.
yeah like গরম করে
Mm.
she's in that phase right now
Oh, did you see?
yeah that's okay
You're the one that just kicked it out.
yeah now they're gonna come back
একদম কাছে ঘুরে
Everybody's here. We're all here.
Look at me now.
Alexa. Ta-da.
Memorial weekend get dressed American.
Hi.
Oh, dress with দেখাচ্ছি হবে।
হ্যাঁ
dress দেখানো হলো শুরু।
Ikra. All right, we're all set. I think we got all of it. I hope I'm not forgetting anything. And the weekend just flew away. I think before we head back to the city, we are gonna go stop by Frosty Cow, the ice cream place. Happy Memorial Day. Happy Memorial Day. Maman, Frosty, I think I need gas. Or should I, it's lower than half. Like a 1 bar down than half. We can go, right? Okay, we'll go over there. All right. We're
Yes,
heading out
we're
from
ready.
their place, but we're gonna go to Frosty Cow before we leave Ithaca.
Yes.
Ketchup, mango juice,
কি দিয়ে বানায়
pepe.
পেঁপে দিয়ে
Baby
তরকারি ভালো
cutties in the bathroom.
পেঁপে
Yeah,
কাঁচা হোক, কাঁচা হোক।
kitties.
Yeah.
We filled up the gas. Hopefully this will take us back, but I have to fill it up halfway. So when we go back, or maybe when we're nearby home, I'll just fill it up again. Over here, gas station have like McDonald's and a gas station, so you could just fill up your gas and go to McDonald's, grab some food. We grab some food even though we're full. We got some French fries because French fries and ice cream taste really good together. Sweet and salty. Ikra, hi Baba. I'm making kachi. Ice cream.
চামচ আছে আমি একটু খাওয়া শুরু করো না। এটা টেস্ট কেমন ছিল?
That is horrible. We are very sorry. You just have to grow fast.
Ish. Ish.
Alala. কি খাইতেছে? Ice cream খাইতেছে তুই?
Caught you in the camera.
Can I get you one unicorn ice cream? Alala.
হাই বলছো।
Hi, hi.
Like I caught you on the camera and she's like, okay, hi.
You know how they say time flies when you're having fun? It's so true. When you're in the moment enjoying yourself, you don't even realize how fast it's going. That's exactly how this weekend felt. This 3 days just flew by in a snap. I know I probably say this in every video, but that's because I really do try to make the most of every weekend. I try to have fun, enjoy the little things, and celebrate life. Because honestly, you never know what tomorrow brings. The best way to live is just to be in the moment. Enjoy it, live it, and feel it. Try not to do things you'll regret. And if you can, laugh a little more and make someone else laugh too. We all have more or less the same when it comes to money or things, but the most valuable thing we have got is life. That's why I love vlogging. Every weekend I try to capture these memories and share them with you. And honestly, I also do it for myself so I can look back and relive these moments. I'm not trying to be all deep here, but just sharing how I feel. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, this is the perfect time to do so. Thanks for watching and have an amazing summer. And don't forget, go out there and make some memories. Ciao. Alright, we finally got home, got to see Tux and Parker after 2 days. Neha got inside first, so she saw them on the stairs, and I think Tux was saying something. As soon as Neha took out the phone, he stopped talking, he walked upstairs. We felt bad, so we're giving them more food to eat right now because we just felt bad that we left them. But this was our first time leaving them for 2 days. It was successful. We watched them through the camera. We did miss them a lot. So, look at them. They're eating. Anyway, I'm super exhausted. I'm gonna go take shower and head to bed. All right, this is the end of the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it.